But you see how powerful it is. In, uhu, uhu, lift it, uhu, uhu. But this one is different. This is, you see, this is part, but still.
I'm still doing this, yes.
It's still he's lifting.
Yes,
He
so I
doesn't
used
let
to be
us-
here,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
Here.
You saw I posted Michelle, you're like, yes. Yeah? What
Yes.
did you do? Yes, and go up and up. Yeah.
See.
Cha, cha, cha. Woo. Cha, 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 cha. Woo, woo, cha. Yeah. Okay. No, I mean, this felt actually pretty good, so I don't want to kind of mess it. Whoa, whoa. Yeah. You see how it helped you to get out from those corners? Imagine you just sat there. And he told me like this. He told me groundness. He said groundness is not only when you release your hip, because that's a groundness. He said when you charge yourself and that shoulder pressing down, you can be grounded in this position. And this, without heel down even, because there is a resistance and down.
Yeah. Now I'm starting to understand.
Yeah.
You are up and not up, but down. Right?
It's a grounded up.
Yeah.
So it's not only because of course you grounded here in this position. And so of course it feels more to the heel. But when you collect, it can be even more grounded actually.
You actually look forward and you look like you're
Yeah.
Actually, it's easier to follow you because this is so engaged.
Yeah.
Like your power can